Hey guys, so we're going to do a series of videos that lift the veil on how we manage clients both online and in the gyms, and I'm going to give you an insight as to the Keystone dashboard through our demo site that we have here and some of our favorite features that we use all the time. Now, obviously there are lots of features that we use, in terms of the bookings, the meal plans, the training programs, the workout planners, obviously portion control versus macros. But the one I'm going to show you today is scripts, and it's effectively an automated notification series that can go to your members based on their individual membership, perhaps their onboarding for when they first joined your gym or your online, but also it can be a series of emails to perhaps accompany a 28-day challenge or an internal 8-week challenge. Anything that you're doing that you want to deliver specific content or education to the clients attached to that program. Super exciting. I love it, and I want to show you guys. So obviously, to begin with, one of the best ways you can do this is to create groups. So you can simply get a whole group of your members. You can create a new group, and it's simple as, blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah is the description, okay? And I'm going to save that group, and I'm going to go in here, and then I can add members, okay? Now, I'll just add me to this group because obviously that's super simple, all right? And you can see that here I am in this group. Now, once I'm in this group, I can do all sorts of things to this group. Now, you can imagine if you had 50 people doing a 28-day challenge, individually assigning meal plans, training plans, workouts, all sorts of things can be really annoying. But if you want to send them a reminder, you can do that on bulk. So I can send it to one person, 2 people, 50 people. Now, you can give it a title, obviously, a message, and you can also insert a link. So if you wanted them to book a check-in call, if you wanted them watch a video, if you wanted them to watch a replay of a workout or something like that, you guys want to send them a bonus yoga workout, just link it here, done, okay? And that will deliver to them. The other option, of course, is that you can assign a script. Now, these are basically notifications that have been pre-written and are emailed out to you. I've got a sample one here. And of course, I just pick a start date and I have a start and an end date if I want, but otherwise that is there. And then of course, you can look and review at any time the scripts that have been assigned to me as a member. So you can just go down here, past my meal plans, and you can see here the script assignments that have been assigned to me. Okay, so if you want to review that or remove that, super easy to do. But I wanted to show you guys how cool scripts actually are. So we're going to go to the library. Now, the way that you build scripts is you build out each individual notification template, very much like an email. So you can see here a whole bunch that we've built out as samples, okay? And then we've got scripts here, and you can see the same sample one that I just assigned to myself and as an example. But of course, I'll show you what that looks like. You can see here there's multiple ones delivered at lots of different times. I've got welcome videos. Of course, this one has an introduction on how to track their food and all these sort of things. Remember to track your food. So there's a lot of reminders. It might be a reminder to check in. Honesty is the best policies for ours, because obviously ours is a way of tracking them over the first 2 to 3 days to see what they're eating so that we can accurately assign them a meal plan and macros that are actually going to get them results. But of course, that's just one of our scripts. And you can see here we've also got call bookings. Okay, so you can see if you want to book in through your call for your nutrition plan, book that here. So you can see that's automatically delivered, very much like an email sequence, but it's all in the app you're asking them to use every single day to track their meals, to track their training, and of course for you to see their compliance, their steps, their body metrics, their body progress photos, all the things that you're in there looking at. There also, it's encouraging them to look at their phone and obviously to engage with you in your phone. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like on my phone. So up here you can see there's a 3 lines, and that is up here where my feed is, and you can see this is some of the things that have come to me as part of our script that I've I've assigned to myself over the last week. But you guys can see here how easily the links work. Everything opens up. You can easily go back to the app, and there's lots of education and lots of space for you to deliver all sorts of information. And you can see here there's my YouTube video. So it all perfectly is delivered inside this notification system, which once you've built it is done. And as I said, you can assign that to me as an individual member if I've just joined the gym, and it could be welcome to Joe Bloggs' training. But also it could be if inside your gym you're doing your 8-week or your 28-day challenge and you want everyone to follow a fixed education protocol over the 28 days, then you can simply do that as well. So a reminder, guys, the fantastic thing I love about groups is how easy it makes it for me to assign any one of these things. So if I went in here, I can assign meal plans, I can assign portions, different individual training plans. So if I want the whole group doing the same training plan, workouts, scripts, reminders, and of course, I can transfer and delete and remove from the group. So guys, that is the group function, focusing on the scripts, which I love and I hope you love too.